Here we have the old, and here we have the new. Let's go with the old.
Yeah, we'll take a ride on the old ones first.
Lobby, going up. Catholics are on.
Going up? Which floor? 24. 24, perfect. We just like elevators.
Is there a Boeing thing going on? Boeing thing going on?
No, cadence.
Ah,
Yeah.
I just see
Hey,
both
Bob.
of you.
Hey, how you doing?
I just see both of you wearing the Boeing.
Yeah, they
So-
sponsored these lanyards, so it's a
nice.
GOMAC, it's a government conference for
Nice.
electronics.
Oh, cool. We just like elevators.
So you're filming for
YouTube.
Okay.
We run. There's like a little community. It's like a
Okay.
little niche thing.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
I believe these are slower than the modern ones.
Oh, really? They sped them up.
Maybe.
Rough stuff. Well, take care.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Floor 24, going down.
Go to T. And we'll switch to a new one.
Let's stay on this one just
Okay.
for the sake of time. Yeah, these are rather slow. Ooh. Rough stop. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Floor 16, going down.
Oh, you're good. Jeez.
I like the way these run though.
Yeah.
They're fun.
Floor 12, going down.
This guy's right on top.
What?
You must be right on top.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Yeah, sounds like it, right?
Sounds like these are double decker, but they're not.
That'd be funny if they were. Oh, take care. These are probably on their original controllers.
Oh,
Going
yeah.
down.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna take a ride on each car.
Back up to L.
Harris, going up.
Harris.
Going up? Is it okay if I take a picture with you?
Sure, absolutely.
I want to send it to Mom too.
Lobby,
That'll be it.